Hey guys, my name is Joe.
I don't see my last episode.
I build stuff for fun. My handler says it's good for me. So, where can I put my hat? There's a good spot. So this is the frame for the grill. So these still need, the outside pieces need a little, but I've double, I think I double checked it anyways. So I can triple, it'll make it better. Make sure, yeah. So since I marked the pieces all at 6 inches, all I did, since it's a wooden table, I squared this one up with the table, the bottom one, screwed it down, laid this one down, lined it up with the center, squared to it, and perpendicular and all that, and set these in here and got it all good, measured and this way and that way. So, and then I had to put a couple, some of this aluminum's got a to it, so I had to put some screws down to flatten everything out, and I'm hoping once everything's mounted I'll be okay. So I'm gonna turn on my juice here. All the welding pieces welded together. I haven't buffed them or flapper disced the weld smooth yet, because okay, I'm still gonna scar stuff up, and I'm gonna have to do other things first. I'm hitting it with a flapper wheel. So I started putting the one in the bottom, because the bottom part of the opening is so. All right, here we go. Flat. I got these in. I have technically 3 mounts left to do, and the way we're mounting is I took stainless just strips. I cut them 1 inch pretty much just with a crude handheld shear that I have, and I bent them at 90 degrees. And all I'm doing is putting 2 3/16 rivets in, and then using a, where's this freaking rubber dude? Alright, so here I am. What I'm using, these are, they're kind of like nut certs. I was going to use those, but I can't source them locally, it seems. So I'm going to do like I normally do and end up ordering a bunch, so I have them from now on. But I kind of like these. These are, it's like a rubber nut cert, so you drill a hole. This is, I can't remember, what, 1 drill bit size down from 1/2 inch. So, whatever that be. Anyway, so I drill a hole into this bracket here. I put 2 holes for the rivets, and I rivet where it goes, and then drill it big enough to put this rubber grommet nut cert in. So, when you stick it in the hole and tighten it down, it squishes it and pushes out on it. So you got at least a little bit of a rubber isolator, and it's not just sitting there vibrating away. So, but once I get these 3 brackets in, I'm going to lay this onto the expanded metal and trace out what we need, cut it. Alright, so I had the grill up there, the surround anyway, so I could line it up. Then all I got to do is I take my Sharpie and just mark my hole. I got one there and one there to do. So I'll do those. And then I'm gonna mount the grill surround again. And then mark my holes, take it back off, drill for the rubber nutserts, grommet nutsert dealios. And then it can get bolted on. So I got all 12 points in at the moment. So, well, wait. See, I got 8. I made stuff for 12, but I really don't think I need that much to mount just a grill. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop it back off, take it over to the table and put the expanded metal on there and get her all figured out. Here we are fitting this with our obnoxiously long hardware. So once again, 1/4-20s. And I have these little neoprene washer deals. It's a steel washer with neoprene on the back of it. So I'm fitting all this now. We're leaving out for wherever it mounts. We're actually pretty lucky, and it looks like pretty much just about every one of these lined up. What I'm using to cut this, instead of just a regular cutoff wheel, old school AJ gave me this wheel. It's a diamond wheel or something like that. I don't know. I used to cut some aluminum the other day. It didn't work so well, but it's cutting the steel like great. So that's what I'm using. There we go. And that's it. I'm probably $50 into this grill. So it's something completely different. I'm rather enjoying it. I like it. I think it looks cool. So I sink the headlights in there and put a light behind it. It'll look good. I'm not going to worry about polishing this aluminum today. Maybe once the grill and some lights go on and some headlights go, and we'll see what happens. But, yep. So if you like my grill, you want to see what we do with the rest of this truck, it looks like it's still gonna, I might have to, but I'm okay. I like it. I'm good. Shouldn't do anything. It's a lot more than a regular factory grill would, how many bolts it had in it, so, but yeah, I like it. Looks good. So, like I said, if you like this grill and you want to see the rest of the truck, make sure you subscribe and check out my other videos. Hit that like. Leave a comment. And talk to you later, guys.